All right. Morning. Uh, Doctor advised 2 weeks no outdoor activities, so we're just gonna do some unboxing stuff. So we're gonna unbox this today. These are the Jordan 4s military blues. So we have a mixed review here from the influencers, and as we were waiting for this to arrive, I watched some YouTube videos. Apparently there's a lot of there's like some conspiracies around the release of this one. So they were saying, some YouTubers, they were saying that some of the influencers were saying that these are badly made. The quality is really poor because I think this is a general release. Lots of pairs for everybody, and some influencers were saying it was bad so that people won't buy it. People would sit on it because if it's a general release, the resellers, their profits are gonna be impacted, you know, just because there's a lot of pairs for everyone to buy, right? So I got this from the Nike app, the Nike website. I mean, I wasn't really planning on getting anything. I mean, 3s and 4s are my favorite silhouettes in the Jordan collection. I wasn't really planning to get one, but when I saw my email reminder, I just checked Nike.com or the Nike app, and I saw there's still pairs available for my size 9.5. They said go to the size. This is the box, OG look box. So let's open. Yep. So they're saying that this is the closest to the 1989 silhouette. First time they released this in full Nike Air branding. Nike Air on the heel tab, Nike Air on the outsole. So yep. So I think it looks alright. Yeah, smells like sweatshops in China. It's made in China. This is made in China. Yep. So the heel tab is a little bit rubbery, so that's good. But in time, eventually, that's gonna harden. It's gonna crack. But yeah, I mean, I bought this to wear it. It's been a while since I bought a pair of Jordans. Ever since I stopped collecting. So yeah, I mean, I just love the silhouette of this one, and I bought it to wear it and enjoy it. All right, Air Jordan 4 military blues. And here's the other one. All right, so I'm wearing them now. These are size 9.5s. They wear true to size. Yeah, nothing much here. This is old technology. If you're used to the comfort you get from wearing Nike Zoom X or the newer AirPods, Air Max, this don't have those, right? So no comfort at all. It's just really more of the retro vibes on the shoe. Nike Air on the back, Nike Air on the heel. That's it. Jordan 4 military blues, or they call it industrial blue. Yep. I never had the 1989 pair, but people are saying these are the closest in terms of colorway, from the blue hints to the nubuck gray here, and even this is not even white, it's like light gray leather or leather. So yeah, haven't worn one for a long time. I'll wear this a few times, perhaps, maybe. Yeah, but don't look for comfort. Alright, Jordan 4 Military Blues 2024 edition.